Students, today we will discuss isomerism in coordination compounds. The prefix iso means same. Isomerism, it is derived from the Greek word isomers. Iso means same and mers means units. That is, compounds having similar molecular formula but different properties are called isomers, and process is called isomerism. Classification of isomerism. It is of two types, that is isomerism in planar motion, that is two-dimensional motion, and second isomerism in space, that is in three-dimensional motion. Students, isomerism in planar motion, it is called structural isomerism, and isomerism in space, it is called stereoisomerism. When we discuss in plane, we call structural isomerism, and when we discuss in space, we call stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism, compounds having similar molecular formula but different structural arrangement of ligands around the central metal line. Next, types of structural isomerism. Students, it's of four types. First is ionization, that is related to ions. Second is hydrate or solvent, that is related to solvent water. Linkage, related to the link of ligand with metal ion. And last one is coordination isomerism. Now we will discuss these four one by one. Types of structural isomerism. First one, ionization isomerism. Again, we got an idea, that is, it is related to ions. Compounds having similar molecular formula but give different ions in aqueous solution. Ionization is possible in aqueous solution. Please look here. There's the pair of coordination compounds. Both are cationic complex. In it, anion part is sulfate, and in it anion part is bromide. When we dissociate it in aqueous, it will give sulfate ions, that is, definitely will give the test of sulfate ions. Acidic radical, we apply barium chloride test to detect sulfate ions. And in it, the anion part is bromide. It will give the test of bromide ions, that is silver nitrate test. Same formula, give different ions. When we ionize them, it's cationic complex 2 positive plus sulfate. Again it is cationic complex positive plus counter ion is bromide. This pair show which isomerism? That is ionization, because they provide different ions in aqueous solution. After this, second is hydrate or solvate isomerism. Related to solvent, that is water. It's related to water. Compounds having similar molecular formula but differ in the number of water molecules present as ligand. Differ in the number of water molecules present as ligand, that is present within coordination sphere. Please look here. In this, there are 6 water molecules present as ligand. In this formula, there are 5, and in this formula, there are 4, and so on. Please look here, that's the complex. All of you know, hexa aqua iron 3 chloride. Iron, coordination number 6. Second time, one water is excluded outside the sphere and chloride is introduced in the sphere. The formula becomes this one. And one water is present as water of crystallization. Students, when we treat it with concentrated H2SO4, it will not lose any water molecule and give 3 chloride ions with AgNO3. It loses 1 water molecule upon treatment with concentrated H2SO4 and give 2 chloride ions with AgNO3 solution. Again this, it loses 2 water molecules upon treatment with concentrated H2SO4 and loses 1 chloride ion upon treatment with silver nitrate. It gives 3 chloride ions upon treatment with silver nitrate. It gives 2 chloride ions. It gives 1 chloride ion. Number of water molecule as ligand 6, 5 and 4. When water molecule as ligand differ, it's 100% hydrate, that is solvate isomerism. Next is linkage isomerism. Students, again we got an indication, link. Just like we have studied ambidentate ligand, monodentate but can link to the metal ion through more than one site. both have same formula AB, but in this case link is by A and in this case link is by B. So the same definition, same molecular formula, differ in the link of the donor atom of the ligand with metal ion. Same formula, students. In this case link is by nitrogen atom and in this case the link is by oxygen atom. NO2, trinitrito and iron 3, triaqua, trinitrito O iron 3. Same formula, differ in the link of ligand. When ambidentate ligand is present in the pair, select it is linkage isomerism. After this, next is coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism, students, its indication is that in this coordination sphere is cation part as well as anion part of the complex. Occurs in compounds containing both cationic and anionic entities, that is coordination sphere as cation part and coordination sphere as anion part. And the isomers differ in the distribution of ligands around the central metal line in two coordination centers. Isomers differ in the distribution of ligands around the central metal line in two coordination centers. Students, please make it second pair. Replace central metal lines. Shift chromium to cationic complex and iron to anionic complex. The pair becomes CrNH3(6) and second one it becomes FeCl6. Isomers differ in the distribution of ligands around the central metal line in two coordination centers. In it, NH3 is around iron, in it NH3 around chromium. This is called coordination isomerism. After this, there is one more category, that is coordination position isomerism. Coordination position isomerism. Students, it occurs in complexes containing bridge ligands. Its identification is bridge ligands are present. In such pairs, coordination position isomerism occurs. After this, next is stereoisomerism. That is in space, 3 dimension. We studied it is of two types, geometrical and optical. Geometrical isomerism already done in +1 class in alkenes. In organic compounds, alkenes, when same groups are on adjacent side, we call it cis form. Same groups are on opposite side, we call it trans form. But in coordination compound, it is due to the ligands occupying different positions around the central metal line. The ligands occupy positions either adjacent, that is cis form, or opposite, that is trans form. It is the type of stereoisomerism. In it, we will open the structure because we are studying it in space in 3 dimension. First, we study the examples of geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism in complexes having coordination number 4, because we will open the structure. When coordination number 4, the complex will have either tetrahedral shape or may have square planar shape. Tetrahedral or square planar. That's your tetrahedral shape. And one group is below. A, B, C, D. In it, bond angle is 109.5 degree. That is tetrahedral form. Students, in tetrahedral complexes, all positions are adjacent to each other. If we flip A and B, again same structure is formed. That is, there is no change in space. Now the question is, why geometrical isomerism does not occur in complexes having tetrahedral shape? Please write. Because in tetrahedral complexes, all positions are adjacent to each other. That's the reason tetrahedral complexes does not proceed geometrical isomerism. We study geometrical isomerism in coordination number 4 with square planar shape, not in tetrahedral shape. All positions are adjacent to each other. Now please come to square planar complexes. Well, the first example is square planar complexes of the type Ma2B2. It's clear coordination number is 4. Monodentate ligand A 2 times, B monodentate again 2 times, that is 4. Whenever we study geometrical isomerism, we will design square planar shape for coordination number 4. Now the question is, draw geometrical isomers of the complex. That is your complex. Diamine dichloride platinum 2. Students, geometrical isomers. Please at first make square planar shape. Central metal is platinum. That's the square planar shape. 2Cl and 2 NH3. Same groups are on same side, adjacent side, we call it cis form. Now please transfer these two with each other. At first design the symmetry. Because coordination number is 4, we will design square planar symmetry. Flip these two positions. Cl shift to this position and NH3 to this position. Below the plane remains same. Now please look here. That's your transform. Ligands occupying positions adjacent, cis form, and opposite form, it is transform. The question will be, draw geometrical isomers of the complex. It is coordination number 4. Mention symmetry and then design ligands. Friends, that's the first, that is cisplatin. This complex is used for the treatment of cancer therapy under the name cisplatin. That's the reason I write cisplatin. After this, we will study some more examples. Second is geometrical isomers. Square planar complexes of the type MAB twice, where AB is bidentate ligand. Because we are studying coordination number 4, bidentate will form 2 bond 2 times 4, and it is AB, that is unsymmetrical. Donor atoms are different. Just like example, this one. Diglycinato platinum 2. Glycinatine, all of you know. CH2, CO negative NH2. 2 donor atoms, 1 nitrogen and 1 oxygen. Different nature, we call unsymmetrical, that is AB. Again coordination number 4. At first students design the symmetry. Glycinatine, all of you know now. CH2, COO, NH2. Again mention it on right side, it is ambidentate. COO, NH2. Now it is clear, it is cis form. Now we have to design transform. Change these positions. Mention NH2 above and CO below, and one side remain as same. CH2, CO, NH2, CH2. When we change it, NH2 becomes above and CO comes down. It's clear, it is transform, it is cis form. Again the question will be, draw geometrical isomers of the complex. Glycinatine, bidentate ligand. Next, geometrical isomerism in complexes having coordination number 6. After 4, next coordination number 6. We know in coordination number 6, we will design octahedral shape. At first, again, one by one we will do the examples. Complexes of the type MA2B4 or MB2A4. That is coordination number 6. 2 ligands are of same type. We will focus only on this. Maybe A2 or maybe B2. That is your example. All of you know its name, tetramine dichlorido iron 3 ion. Students, it's clear. The question is, draw its geometrical isomers. Please, coordination number 6, we will design octahedral shape. At first, 4 bonds on the plane. One above the plane and one below the plane. Please look at Cl, students. Cl at first. We will focus only on A2. It is example of MA2B2. When A2 are adjacent, it is cis form. A2 are opposite, it is transform. The rest will be as such. 4 NH3. Please mention 1, 2, 3 and 4. If there is any charge on the complex, mention charge. No matter. It is a tiny complex, so we mention charge. It's clear, it is cis form. A2, AA adjacent. Now please, in coordination complexes having coordination number 6, all times change 2 and 4 positions. When we change 2 and 4 positions, what will happen? Cl turns to this position and NH3 to this position. That is, now it becomes Cl, NH3, NH3, Cl, NH3, NH3. It is any complex, so please mention charge. Now it's clear, 1-2 position adjacent, cis form. Now 1-4 opposite, it is transform. First complexes of the type Ma2B4. After this, next complexes of the type Ma3B3. Again coordination number 6. Complexes of the type Ma3B3. That is example. That's the part of the question. Draw its geometrical isomers. Students, at first check coordination number 6. Please design octahedral symmetry. Again metal line iron. 4 bonds on the plane, 1 above and 1 below. NH3, 1, 2 and 3. And 3 positions are occupied by Cl. One, 2 and 1, 4 only are focus. 1, 2 same group, we call it cis form. Now please change 2 and 4 positions. Turn Cl here and NH3 to this position. Now it remains as such. Cl from 4th position comes to 2nd and NH3 from 2nd comes to 4th. It is clear, 1, 4 opposite, that is transform. 1, 2 cis adjacent form same group. Rest is same. NH3, Cl, Cl. One is cis form and second is transform. Friends, in this case, we will give specific names to geometrical isomers when it is Ma3B3. Please look here. What is formed? Triangular face. 3 ligands with same donor atoms form triangular face. We call it facial isomer. 3 ligands with some donor atoms form triangular face. We call it facial isomers. When 3 ligands with same donor atoms are present at equatorial plane, students, these are equatorial positions. 3 ligands with same donor atoms, they are present at equatorial positions. We call it meridional isomer. Cis and trans at first we study, then we give specific names: facial isomer and meridional isomer. 3 ligands with same donor atom form triangular face of the octahedron. It is called facial isomer. 3 ligands with same donor atoms are present at the equatorial plane. We call meridional isomers. That's your equatorial position, students. In this 2 NH3 and 2 Cl, but in this 3 Cl are there. It is called meridional. 3 ligands with same donor atom at equatorial. 3 ligands with same donor atom form triangular face. I hope the concept is clear. Facial isomer and meridional isomers. These are important terms. In competitive exams, questions may be related to these. And remember, it occurs in complexes of the type Ma3B3. After this, next more examples. Complexes of the type MAA twice B2, where AA is symmetrical bidentate ligand because both donor atoms are same. It is clear, coordination number 6. Because AA is bidentate ligand, both donor atoms are same, I use the term symmetrical bidentate ligand. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6. That's the example. Dichorido bis ethane 1,2 diamine iron 3. It is again ionic complex. Again the question is draw geometrical isomers of 1 marks in your board exams. That's the complex. Students, it is clear, coordination number 6. Please at first mention octahedral symmetry of the complex. 4 on plane and 1 above the plane and 1 below the plane. Please look here now, ligands. En twice Cl2. We will focus on Cl. Our focus is on Cl. When they are adjacent, we call them cis form. And when they are opposite, we call transform. Please look here, Cl is clear. Twice is bidentate ligand, that is En. Attack at 2 positions. I mentioned with the symbol En. 1 donor atom to this and 1 to this. 2 adjacent positions. Again, these are 2 adjacent En. Charge is positive, then please mention charge. Now it's second form, students. Again, we flip 2 and 4 positions, migrate Cl to 4th position. Same groups on opposite side, it is transform. This En remain as such. And now this En form 1 time bond at this position and 1 time at this position. That is get linked in this manner. That's the simple way to draw geometrical isomers. There's the example, and there's a question, draw geometrical isomers of the complex. These are again easy. After this, next is optical isomerism, students. Optical isomerism, all of you know related to light, optics related to light. Please at first, what's the concept of optical isomerism? Students, normal light consists of waves vibrating in several planes. X-axis, Y-axis or Z-axis. It is your normal light, light of sodium lamp. We call it monochromatic light. Light of single wavelength consists of waves vibrating in all planes. When it is passed through nickel prism, we call it polarizer. Nickel prism called polarizer when we pass it through nickel prism. What will happen? Normal light consists of waves vibrating in all planes. When it is passed through polarizer, vibrations in all except one cancel. Now it will vibrate only in one plane. We call it plane polarized light. What is plane polarized light? Light which vibrates only in one plane. What is polarizer? Nickel prism used to convert monochromatic light to plane polarized light. Now students, when plane polarized light is passed through a solution of some substance, what will happen? Either it will rotate towards right side or left side. When it rotates towards right, we call it dextroisomers. When towards left, L, we call it levoisomer. And this process is called optical activity because it is optically active substance. It rotates plane polarized light either towards right or left. Or again we pass it through the solution of some substance, it remains as such. We call it optically inactive substance, and it is called optical inactivity because it doesn't rotate light. This process is called optical activity, that is your optical isomers. What is optical isomerism? Isomers which rotate plane polarized light equally but in opposite directions, clockwise or anti-clockwise. They are called optical isomers and the process is called optical isomerism. Optical active substance, they are also mentioned with symbol positive or negative. Positive means it rotates towards light towards right. Negative means towards left. In bio, there are specific terms, positive form of sugar, negative form. Positive form means rotate towards right and negative form means left. What is dextrorotatory? Which rotate plane polarized light towards right. What is levorotatory? Which rotate plane polarized light towards left. Again, what is optical isomerism? You will write directly the definition. Isomers which rotate plane polarized light equally but in opposite directions. They are optical isomers and the process is called optical isomerism. It is optical activity in route 1 and it is optical inactivity in route 2 because it doesn't rotate plane polarized light, it remains as such. Such substance is called optical inactive substance, and if it possesses the capacity to rotate towards right or left, it is called optically active substance. Students, the two conditions for optical isomerism are: first one, plane of symmetry should be absent. Plane of symmetry should be absent. I mentioned two alphabets, O and L. Suppose these are the coordination compounds. First is O and second is L. Plane of symmetry, plane that divides the object in two equal halves. Plane that divides the object in two equal halves. Students, we can easily divide it in two equal halves. In it, plane of symmetry is present. So it does not show optical isomerism. Condition is plane of symmetry should be absent. What is plane of symmetry? Plane that divides the object in two equal halves. Students, that's the alphabet L. Suppose it is coordination compound. We can't divide it in two equal halves from any plane. Unequal halves are formed. It is called asymmetry. That is, plane of symmetry is absent. First condition, plane of symmetry should be absent. And second main condition, mirror images should be non-superimposable. They shouldn't overlap. Students, if we check the mirror of B, it becomes this one. Now we call it non-superimposable. Just like we check the mirror of right hand, it comes left. mirror images should be non-superimposable. If we check the mirror image of O students, what will happen? Same, it is called superimposable mirror. Superimposable. It is superimposable mirror. It is optically inactive. Optically inactive. At first we write the definition, but these are the two conditions. Plane of symmetry should be absent. Coordination compound is O. It will not show optical isomerism. And second, mirror images should be non-superimposable. Just like this, coordination compound is B. Suppose coordination compound is mentioned by the alphabet B. If it rotate plane polarized light towards right, definitely it rotate towards left. They are called optical isomers. I hope the concept is clear what is optical isomerism. Isomers which rotate plane polarized light equally but in opposite directions. So and that's the example. The question is, draw optical isomers of the complex. At first we draw its geometrical isomers. Coordination number 6. We draw its geometrical isomers. Please look here. These are the geometrical isomers. One is cis form and second is transform. Now the question is, draw its optical isomers. What is the condition? Mirror images should be non-superimposable. Friends, if we check the mirror of transform, if we take its mirror, what will happen? That is octahedral symmetry. 4 on the plane, 1 above and 1 below. The group on the right side shift to left side and group on the left side shifts to right side. But these are identical groups. Now students, it is clear. It is superimposable or non-superimposable. The mirror of transform is superimposable. Mirror of transform is superimposable, so we call it optically inactive. Students, clear, transform will not show optical activity. It will show, because when we go for its mirror, it will be non-superimposable. Now the question is, draw optical isomers of the complex. This one. It means we will choose cis form, because transform mirror images are superimposable, they are inactive. It is cis form, Cl, En twice, bidentate, 2 donor atom at adjacent position attack. That is the shape, students. We are studying optical isomerism. Optical isomerism means check its mirror. When we check its mirror, what will happen? Group on right side shifts to left side, En. And group on right side shifts to left. This Cl remain as such. This on from right side shifts to left. It is clear. It is non-superimposable. So it is optical active. Friends, this compound form how many isomers? It form total 3 isomers. One cis form and one trans. And cis form again form optical isomer. If it is dextrorotatory, its optical isomer was levorotatory. The answer is, correct answer is, this isomer will form total, this compound will form total 3 isomers. Cis, trans and then cis show optical isomerism. After this, please try to do these questions. That's the pair of compounds show which isomerism. Please test your knowledge. Mention me on my WhatsApp number 94595 76600. Next, this pair show which isomerism. I got the indications in my class. When it is student geometrical isomerism, complex will be in the question. You have to mention its isomers, that is cis or transforms. Either cis or transform. Please at first check coordination number. Then draw the symmetry and mention. If it is optical isomerism, it will be in complexes with coordination number 6. Always draw its cis form. Such complexes are only in our syllabus. Thank you.